Welcome back. Here we are again on the main dashboard page. Let's review the next information management tool available in the dashboard, which is the art file status. Within the main art file status page are the following links: all approved art files, thumbnails plus a click here for larger image, organized by the same product groups used on kit sheets. All views of all images are printable, they can be emailed, and they can be downloaded. When printing thumbnails of item groups, there should be as many thumbnail images as will fit on an 8.5 by 11 sheet, and this functions as a contact sheet, so multiple items can be reviewed and approved simultaneously to save the client significant time spent proofing or reviewing art. And all pending art files, same two views, thumbnail and click here for larger, includes some form of proofing mechanism. The user can annotate changes using sticky notes, and they can email their proofs with or without annotations. And it will also need, obviously, some kind of basic automated email engine, which can send emails to the approver when a new proof or a new art file is added to the system, as well as emails to the CSC and sales team each time a proof is rejected or approved. And it would also be good if there was some way for the CSC to send existing approved files straight to the vendor, or if the system could automate sending an email to C3, informing them of which vendor they need to send art files to. And this tool should function like a minimal online digital asset manager with a simple directory and basic upload-download capabilities. And the intent is to replace FTP as the file exchange method to eliminate that intermediate step and the associated enormous amounts of time required to shuffle large files around from site to site. And an important note, the transfer of art files should not involve any current WebMason-operated networks at this time. With sincere respect to Mr. Brian Fritchie, I reserve the right to disagree. I think one of us, possibly me, is simply misinformed, and our network bandwidth is obviously unacceptable. If it's determined that this file transfer engine has to utilize the same inadequate network the Fort Worth office uses now, then let's please disregard the request for this specific functionality, and we will be forced to carry on with the same manual processes we have always used to transfer files until our network performance is improved. And that was the art file status, which, remember, is where images for all items in the system can be found. Next, we'll review two other information management tools also available on the main dashboard page.